Hello there, this is Laura Etemah, your vocal coach, and I'll be taking you on this short ear training course. Alright then, to start with, ear training is the key to better singing, and singers are required to focus on pitching accurately while doing ear training. So in this course, you're going to gain some things, and I'm going to list them out. Okay, so with ear training, you'll be able to sing in tune and you'll be able to correct your errors. Also, you'll be a more confident singer and have a better awareness of harmony, especially those singers who sing in the choir. Okay, ear training will help you blend and balance your voice as you sing with people around you. Okay, so I've mentioned about four to five benefits, and then as a vocalist, you should know that a well-trained ear is a very good asset, and your ear is all you have to depend on, because it's your voice you're using. It's not like you're using an instrument. There are no strings, no keys or anything like that, no tuning pegs. It's just your voice which creates the sound, and your ears that focus on the pitch. So we have to make good use of the tools that we have and ensure that they are well crafted and reliable. Okay, so this is where ear training comes in. Alright then, so let's start with the basics. As a beginner, the most important skill to develop is the ability to match pitches, okay, which is the ability to hear a note and recreate a note with your voice. Okay, so we are going to progress into the exercises, and I want you to pay attention and then take part in it. Okay, so see you in the next audio, where we shall be doing the practicals. And as I said, this one is a short course. I'm doing it to introduce you to ear training. If you want the full course,